So today we have an interesting integration question. The data is very nice. It says that integrate 1 upon cube root of x plus square root of x. So there's a very nice set of steps to solve it and you are going to love it. So let's see that. First step is that consider this integration as is. Now the second step is that over here it can be written as integrate 1 upon cube root of x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 3. Let it be clear, yes. 1 by 3 and square root of x is x to the power 1 by 2 and dx. Now what I will do is, like in the rough work, I will just take the LCM of this both. So 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, they have a common, means not kind of LCM but the number which comes in table of 3 and 2, and that's 6. And as this both are in reciprocal, I will just reciprocal 6 also. So it would be like 1 upon 6. It comes in the table of 1 upon 3 also and 1 upon 2 also. And take it as the power of x and consider it as u. So x to the power 6 has I have considered as u. Now I will use the substitution rule. So derivative of u with respect to x would be 1 upon 6 x to the power 1 upon 6 minus 1. So it's like 1 upon 6 x to the power negative 5 upon 6, and that is like 1 upon 6 times x to the power 5 by 6, and that's derivative of u with respect to x. So from here I obtain the derivative of u into 6 times x to the power 5 by 6 is derivative of x. So instead of this dx in this question, I can replace that value, and according to that substitution I have to put u. Yes. So the second phase of this question after this substitution. So I is equals to integration of 1 upon. Now you can see here it's 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3, and here I have x in terms of u as x to the power 1 by 6. So in this, if I will just square both the sides, so it will form 1 upon x into 1 upon 6 into 2, that would form 1 upon 3, and that's equals to u square. So x to the power 1 by 3 has been found in the terms of u, and that's u square. Yes. Similarly, when we will look for the value of x to the power 1 by 2 in terms of u, it will be like x to the power 1 by 6 is u. Just cube the both sides, so it would form 1 upon 6 into 3, so 1 upon 2, and that's u cube. So square root of x has been found in terms of u, that's positive u cube, multiplied with dx. Now because of dx, this value is that, so derivative of u, and instead of 1 I have to put the other value, that's 6 times x to the power 5 by 6. Now x to the power 5 by 6, I have to turn it out into terms of u. So look carefully that x to the power 1 by 6 is u. I will just take power 5 on both the sides. So x to the power 5 by 6 is equals to u to the power 5. Yes. So x to the power 5 by 6 has also been turned in terms of u. So it's u to the power 5. Now I can take 6 common outside the integration, u to the power 5, and from the denominator I can take u square common, and inside it will remain u plus 1 and du. And now I can see from the exponential rule, u square cancel out and 5 becomes 3. So I have that 6 times integration of u cube upon u plus 1. It's just the half from here. Now I have to solve this, and the problem will be solved very nicely. Yes. So now the second phase, what I will do is just add 1 and subtract 1 from the numerator. So my integration I is 6 times the integration u cube plus 1 minus 1 and upon u plus 1. Now just separate the denominator and applying the trigonometry identity. So 6 times integration of u cube plus 1 is u plus 1 into u square minus u plus 1, the trigonometry, not trigonometry, algebraic identity, a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b cube, b square, sorry. So u cube plus 1 turn out to be u plus 1 into u square minus u plus 1 and upon u plus 1. And also separating the denominator, so minus 1 upon u plus 1. Here I can say this and this got cancel out, so only thing remained is u square plus u square minus u plus 1 minus 1 upon u and with respect to u. So its derivative is its integration is very simple, 6 times. U square integration would be u cube upon 3, integration of u would be u square upon 2, integration of 1 would be u, minus integration of 1 upon u plus 1 would be natural log of u plus 1. Yes, and plus the constant c, and that's our answer. But at the last second step, because the u was been considered as x to the power 1 by 6, so I have to just put that over here. So x to the power 1 by 2 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus x to the power 1 by 6 and this natural log, and all of this multiplied with this 6 and added the constant c, and that's a beautiful solution. All we have to do is just take the LCM according to that it's reciprocal, so its LCM was 1 all over 6, and after that taken the LCM, just use the substitution rule, means consider that as the power of x and consider it as u, and after that substitution rule everything will be solved very nicely. And add and 1 means add or subtract 1 or whatever constant is required according to the question. So if you have any other method other than this, I think there's not, but if it exists which is smaller than this, you can do comment below, or else you can DM me on my Instagram, link is in the description. When someone gives a better solution other than this and we can show it to our viewers, spread the knowledge.